So let's check now. So this is already cooked and we have to turn off now the flame. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make new recipe or new version on how to cook eggplant. So I have two organic eggplants here and I have this organic native garlics, onions, and then this onion ring and black pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoon of soy sauce and vinegar, 2 tablespoon of vinegar. If you have lemon juice or calamansi juice, then you can use 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. And so I substitute vinegar. So today I'm going to first this one I have to slice this one and then fry it. Frying now eggplants, organic eggplants. Let's saute now onions. It's up to you if you put first garlics, but for me, onion. And then to be followed now by garlics. Now we can add now the soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, black pepper, and salt. And then add some water. Now we can put now also this fried eggplants. And then we have to cover it for a while. Now let's check. You can add also oyster sauce or magic sarap or bitsin, but I don't have any kind of seasoning, only salt and soy sauce. Now we can add now these onion rings. Now cover it, and then after 1 minute we have to turn off now the flame. Cooking eggplant beefsteak or eggplant steak. Instead of beef steak, so I use this eggplant steak. I already cook rice because rice is life for me. But for them, chapati is enough for them. And I cook this beef steak or eggplant steak. My husband, he tasted it and he said it's good with chapati. And also langga, they ate already. Because last night I cooked this chicken curry. So they ate already this one. And this for my Fatma and Fahad for their lunch. But for me, this is enough for me. Alhamdulillah. So I will eat now because it's already past 1 p.m. My husband already, he eat already, and also Langga. So next I will eat now also. And Fatma and Fahad, they eat late lunch. Let's eat lunch everyone. White rice. Yan, bagong saing. Oh, musok pa. Ayan. And then, ito na yung eggplant steak or beefsteak with Mountain Dew and cherry tomatoes with banana dessert. Alhamdulillah for my foods for today for lunch. After eating, then this is my dessert with rice. Sinong naka-relate nito sa inyo na ang saging o kaya mango ay inuulam sa kanin? May ulam pa ako for dinner. Ayan. Para sa kanila, aywan ko anong lulutuin ko sa kanila for dinner. Basta sa akin ito na okay na, ayos na sa akin ito.